Literally, we're doing it live. Literally. Bro, I was just gonna stand there watching that Wyatt all game. Fuck it. Them knife skills, though, are mesmerizing, bro. Mesmerizing, I tell you. I came, I saw, I left. I think these are baby victims, maybe. I'm just a baby. That Danny, though. Danny's under the house. Ooh. Julie's got a lot of points. Don't wake up Grandpa, bro. Don't do it. One's in the house. He's creeping in the house. Come here, Danny boy. What the hell? Hit him 3 times. 4 times. He's in the basement. He's in cap. Ooh, fighting the Connie, or what is that? The Julie? Oh, Julie is protecting the Danny, bro. What is happening? Valve over here. I think our Bubba is just feeding, like getting blood and feeding Grandpa. We're probably gonna lose because of that. Yeah, this Bubba's new. Rip. They got, no, I thought they got my lock off back there. Can't see it for a second. One's in this exterior shed to the right of the right gen gate. Come here, Virginia. There's 2 of them over here. Virginia went down the well. Julie's running to the back of the house. She's at the crawl space on the side of the house. She's going on the side of the house. She's like, yeah, she's still in there. She's going out the crack. Yeah, this fucking Bubba's useless, bro. Ay, caramba. Oh man, what's up with all these baby Bubbas, bro? One's still in the house. They're on the fuse. It's Danny. Bro, this guy's trying to tamper the fuse. One's running in the house. Fucking guys stopping me from moving. Alright, I'm probably about to leave this because this is like impossible. If I get backstabbed here, I'll probably leave. Dude, this hitchhiker keeps trying to attack me. They're going for fuse again, I think. Oh, nice. Put a trap on it. That's good. They're getting bone scraps. There you go, Bubba. Get me, get me. Making me work extra hard this game. Julie's running for the middle. Come here, Julie. Yes, yes, I know. You're really good at this game, I know. You don't gotta tell me how good you are. Come on, Julie. Come on out now. Okay, you're gonna watch those? Okay, that's fine. I'll watch the gates. If they get one of these gates open, it's GG. That's all I gotta say about that. They have a Connie? They do not. Okay, that's good. Dude, these guys are trying so hard. And this baby Bava, we have a baby Bava. I'm actually surprised they haven't gotten out yet. Oh, they got my lock off right gen gate. Julie's running away from it. Shit, that's really bad. Well, can't really stop that, so... One's in the house on fuse. They're on fuse and valve. Alright, I got the Danny. Nice. Motherfucker. They got gen open. Oh, Julie's going down the basement. Nice. Yeah. We need to get Grandpa to 3. That's the only way that we can maybe contain this. Is if Grandpa's level 3. I don't think we're gonna be able to get it though. I think I need to get another kill. That's the only way that we can do that. Virginia, get this gate open. No. Where's she at? She went away. Oh. Dude, these victim players are actually like, they're moving around a lot, so I can tell that they kind of know what they're doing, but to be real, they're actually kind of bad. Because it's literally me and this hitchhiker like covering this whole place. And they're still like getting their ass kind of smacked around. Actually what I should do is move that lock. Oh, nice. One's going the right battery. One of them are gonna get out here in a second, I think. Okay, that's pretty good actually. Man, I have a lot of points. Oh wow, nice. Dude, how are these guys not getting out? What the fuck? Can't look down there? Fuck. Okay. Miss Hog Wild. Bro, I can literally see where you're running. Good job, bro. Good job. Oh, shit. Nice. Good job. Good job. Good job. The other one's in the tunnels by the fuse. She's going up the ladder exit. Oh, never mind. She went the other way. Je baited. Oh, this is fun. She's teabagging? What are you teabagging for, bro? The fuck? Bruh, how did she win that? She's over at the ladder, over here. Somewhere over here. She bleed out? Where is she? Oh, she's over there. Bro. She's in the middle. She's going over the barrier in the middle. I mean, honestly, I would probably just leave this game, but whatever. She's right in the middle over here under the basement. Should I leave? Where's my hitchhiker at? Oh, there it is. Nice. GG. Thank you for the support. I appreciate you, bro.
Wait, can you hear me still?
What's up?
Alright, bet. Bro, my BC bug last game, I thought it was broken again.
Oh, yeah. I was wondering, you weren't saying anything.
Tool.
Yeah, you can go.
Yeah.
I'll ping someone.
Leave it fight me, Bubba. Can you come back? Wyatt's up.
Okay.
Leland's running up tool in the middle. Yes, choose fight.
I hit Leyland twice. Ooh. Oh, nice, dude.
Hell no.
Damn, son.
If I don't run up, man. Crazy.
What's in holding pin?
It's definitely a 3-stack. I doubt Virginia's within. Windmill's fine.
There's two of them over here, Virginia and Connie. Dude, this.
Oh my god, yeah.
You got her?
No
Nice.
fucking boon for you, bro.
Nice, dude.
Still see your ass. In here.
Oh, I just. I think I hit that Connie once or twice too when we were over there. Oh yeah, he got her. Nice. So then there was only Wyatt.
He just picked a lock.
Yeah, he got me right gen. He got my lock off.
Oh, he's in that bitch.
Ooh.
He might. No, he's supposed to do the final door. not out here. I'll look for his footprints. He went through the gap over here. He's working on the other door. He got out. He's running middle now. Running probably middle well.
Yeah, he went down the well. Damn, dude. Okay. That guy's kind of sneaky. That's why it's a little sneaky sneak, bro. Oh, you gonna crouch while I'm about to ping you? He's somewhere in the middle of the basement still.
Smelling his feet right now.
Sniffer.
Oh, he's in bone room. I see him. Hitting the freezer. Come on, man. The hiding spots are so bad because of how much noise they made. I wasn't even in the room yet and I heard the freezer.
He just left. Yeah, I think he was in bone room. Oh shit, he got him. That's why he left. Nice.